12 ways to decorate your home with artwork. Please subscribe to motivate us. You can hang the artwork according to your personality. If you are planning to redecorate the look of the space, residential or commercial, changing the artwork can add a new dimension to space and make it look as good as new. Here are some good ideas for you to choose. You can even apply your creative crafts ideas or ask your children to do so. How to decorate the space with artwork. There are thousands of different ways to add beautiful art to the walls in every room of your home. Some of them are as follows. For example, if you wish to add art to your home, you need to think upon color of the furniture, if the walls are neutral, etc. If the wall paint is neutral, you can select any painting or sculpture or other decor piece that complements with overall decor of the home, but if it is accent shade, then you need to sculpture according to that. Number 1. Frame the rug. You may find it very weird on the onset, but this is an innovative way to art to the space. All you need to do is buy a striking rug for the floor and frame it like a painting on the wall. It will add a splash of color to your home. Number 2. Collage of family photos. Another way to decorate the space with artwork is to add a collage of family photos. It can be any significant artifact collected by you during travel. Number 3. Customized wallpaper. Customized wallpaper will add a pop of color to your home. It will add to the beauty of the home. Number 4. Painted wall mural. In your kids' room, you can even go for a hand-painted wall mural. It will transform the look of your space. Number 5. Planters. The outdoor area of the home can be further enhanced by ceramic pots, planters or sculptures that will catch every passerby's attention. Number 6. Hang pendant lights. These can always be center of attraction if properly placed, as these attract the visitors. Pendant lights call attention and trigger the visual focus upward. Number 7. Wall art with bamboo. Get some bamboo frames from the market and decorate your blank walls with this. It is a great idea to add artwork in home. Number 8. Art with wall hangings. There are many wall hanging articles that you can add to your home. The best wall art in your bedroom should on the wall directly over the bed or opposite it. It should be hung on the eye level with soothing colors. Number 9. Geometric prints. Geometric prints on your walls brighten the space and make it look lively. Number 10. Shelves. You can create a floating gallery. You can get a floating shelf installed over the workspace. One can put artwork of different sizes in frames to look beautiful. Number 11. Add something motivational. Hanging something motivational in your home has a dual impact. It will help you stay afloat in trying times and open your mind to new ideas. Number 12. Add sculpture or painting. The best way to change the look of the dreary wall is by adding a big sculpture or painting. Remember, artwork need not to be expensive. Thanks for watching the video.